So to get the vertical asymptote for number 6, we want to set the denominator equal to 0. So I'm going to take x minus 1, set it equal to 0, and solve. So x is going to be equal to 1. So this will be a vertical line that's a boundary in the function. To get the horizontal asymptote, we want to compare the degree. So the numerator has degree 2 because we see an x squared, and the denominator has degree 1 because it's just an x. So the numerator is higher. So of the 3 scenarios, this would mean that it has no horizontal asymptote. And that would be our answer.